So I have reached Agra, and if you think that Taj Mahal is just located in the bank of Yamuna and in just mid of the city, it is not like that. It is surrounded by the very huge greenery, and to reach there you need to take auto and has to cover 1 kilometer by walk as well. Then only you will reach Agra. So this is what the path to reach Agra, Taj Mahal. The sweat in my face can see that how extreme the sun today. This is how you will face the beginning crowd here. Not too much. Need to know on Friday that is the close. Remaining days is open, and the time when I come here is 12:30, and this is beginning of Taj Mahal, and that's the western gate, and this is the first monuments of Red Fort inside the Taj Mahal. And here we go, very huge line, but I'm very optimistic I will catch my train and I will watch the Taj Mahal as well. So here, generally it's not longer than any spiritual site. Just you need to take your e-ticket here, and you will get the entry. In beginning there is a scanner. For getting ticket, you can use the ASI website online, but for foreigners, you need to have Indian account, or otherwise need to take the ticket from counter. This is a Red Fort here. Most of people are Indian right now because of the extreme hot season. The corners are very low. Taj Mahal visit was my dream of childhood, and today it was fulfilled. Of course, it took a long time, and but ultimately I reached today the great monuments. So this is the Taj Mahal. Let's see here, and this is a Red Fort here, from where we entered to the Taj Mahal. And you can look the premises, how it was protected, and how glorious and royal was. The thing was that still it is preserved, and not like here in Agra, but there are many monuments in India, of course, in our neighboring country, Lahore. So there's kind of like many same monuments you will find. But the most focus has been given to this. You enter from Western Gate. This Red Fort is appeared, and behind that is a one tomb in marble. We expect that the same marble was used for building the glorious, the marvelous Taj Mahal. आप विश्वास नहीं करेंगे, मैं उस सीट में बैठा हुआ हूँ जिसमें बराक ओबामा और न जाने अमेरिका के, इंडिया के और दुनिया के कितने राष्ट्रपति, प्राइम मिनिस्टर इसमें बैठकर अपनी फोटोज ले चुके हैं. So really it was very amazing. I'm not feeling like I'm a common man. I really think I'm VVIP, because this is where President Barack Obama and other presidents of the countries have taken their photographs. Thank you, brother, for this. A YouTuber, it's a desire to catch Taj Mahal, capture. And look at this. ताज महल से बाहर निकलकर अब एक वीडियो I will say it is the last video, and this is the boundaries of red marble or red stone. See this beautiful garden. One must visit here at least once in a life. This is marvelous, miracle.